Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dance and emote on Brookhaven. So to do that, you're just going to select the section, and to emote, you can use these. There is a bunch of options you can choose. There's crying, waving, jumping. For dancing, you're just going to select, well, you're going to scroll down, and there's a lot of dances that you can do. Dance 2, dance 3. There's this famous one on like TikTok, I guess. If you want to carry somebody, you'll need to go near them like this. And then you're going to select it, and then you're going to either select shoulders, carry hurt, or piggyback. But that is it for this video. They need to accept though for you to be able to carry them. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.